Yes guys, welcome back to BlakeWrTv Kitchen. I hope you guys did like the last video that we did with the Jamaican curry chicken roti. I know a lot of you guys was asking for that, so I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Remember guys, like, share and comment on that video. Let me know what you think. Today guys, we are doing some seafood combination stir fry. Just getting the vegetable ready. Over here we have the we have some shrimp, some scallops, and like I said, it's a seafood combination, so it's a lot of different stuff on there. You know, all the seafood combination ingredients. So we're doing a stir fry right now. So keep that soak. Pot is over here. We're getting the pot nice and hot. We're gonna add a little bit of oil. So let's go ahead and put in our combination. We'll get it all under control in a minute. Right, we have some black pepper here. We'll go ahead and put a little bit of black pepper on it. And some complete seasoning. Make sure you get a nice taste to it. There we go. And then we have some complete seasoning right here. We also have some seafood seasoning we're going to add to it as well. And then like always, with a little stir. Best if you get these thawed, make sure they're not no ice in them, because they kind of like left a little water in the pot, so you're going to have that cook off a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of fish season and seafood and fish and all type of stuff. This is good for everything. Put a little bit on there. And then garlic powder. Just a little dash over there. And then last but not least,
some Old Bay seasoning for seafood poultry, seafood meats. Yummy, yummy.
Give it a little stir.
All those juices. Looking good, looking good.
Looking good guys. Seafood combination stir fry with all your nice vegetables, onions, bell pepper. Yes, this is what lunch is for today. Okay guys, I'm adding a little bit of vinegar in there, just a little bit, so half a teaspoon or something like that. Yeah, I see what I had in there. Give it a nice flavor. Tune down some of the seafood, so all my herbs and spice can blend in nicely. Anybody ready to eat? Let me know guys if you are ready to eat. What y'all want this to serve with? Y'all want to serve with rice, or just want to eat it just like this? It's your choice. You decide how you want it. Just add a little bit of oil in here, about that. Not a lot of oil. We doesn't need a lot of oil for this, just a little bit in the pot. Some rice. There's some leftover rice. So we're gonna do some fried rice. This is some rice and peas, coconut milk. So we're gonna add it to this. Turn it into fried rice, Jamaican style fried rice. So go ahead and get this nicely done. Over there we got the seafood combination already finished guys. So we'll get the rice and we're gonna go ahead and make a plate. Let's eat. Okay guys, our rice is finished. So we're gonna go ahead and make a plate. This is our rice and peas, It's gonna have a little fry rice to it. So there we go. That's my rice. It's time for me to go ahead and get this nice seafood combination right here. There we go, guys. Look at that joint. That's a loaded plate. Okay guys, like I said earlier, this is my lunch for today. I'm just sharing it with you guys. It's what Chef Blake is having for lunch. Hope you guys like it. Little walkthrough step-by-step tutorial I give you guys for making this thing right here. If you want to know how to make the rice and peas, this is Jamaican rice and peas. It's very delicious, guys. Coconut milk, peas in there. If you want to know how to make this rice, there's a full cooking tutorial video on my channel showing you guys how to make Jamaican rice and peas, step-by-step walkthrough. You can do a cook along with me. That means you can be making your own Jamaican rice and peas while watching my video step-by-step, cook along, or you can just go ahead and take note from watching the videos of all the things and ingredients I'm using, and you can make your own Jamaican style rice and peas right in your very own kitchen at home. This is what it's all about, guys. Hoping everybody enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, repost it, send it to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I love when my subscribers and viewers share my videos. So please remember, guys, to share the video, comment. If you are new to the channel, please remember to subscribe. Follow me, guys. I upload at least 2 videos per week with new recipes, new how-to videos, easy step-by-step by cooking, beginner friendly. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, BlakeWrTv Kitchen. It's easy as that. Just type in BlakeWrTv Kitchen, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. You can find me just like that. Thank you for being here. Love, peace, and have a Merry Christmas when it comes. Until next time.